If you clicked on this video, you're not here for entertainment. You're here because you're tired of being average. You want freedom, financial freedom. You want power, respect, and control over your life. Let's be honest. Most people will work until they die because they never learn the rules of money. But today, I'll give you 3 habits that will separate you from them. 3 habits that'll make you rich. Habit 1. Reprogram your mind. The rich think differently. They don't see money as paper. They see it as freedom units. While others complain, they learn, build, and adapt. If you want to escape the system, your mind must become your greatest weapon. Spend every day feeding it with the right information. Business, marketing, finance, mindset. Stop watching useless videos. Start learning how the world actually works. Because once your mind understands how money moves, you'll stop chasing it and start attracting it. Habit 2. Learn high-income skills. Money follows value. If you can solve big problems, people will throw money at you. That's how the game works. Forget about jobs that pay by the hour. That's slavery with a smile. Focus on skills that pay you for results. If you're creative, learn video editing, design, copywriting, or social media strategy. If you're logical, learn programming, AI automation, or building online systems. If you're charismatic, learn sales, marketing, or personal branding. These skills are the real currency of this generation, and the moment you master even one of them, you'll never have to beg for money again. Habit 3. Build your digital presence. In this new world, attention is money. If nobody knows you, nobody pays you. Start building your personal brand today. Post your progress, teach what you learn, create content around your skill. The goal is simple. Turn yourself into a brand that people trust, because once they trust you, they buy from you. And when that happens, you've already escaped the system. Most people will scroll away and forget everything you just heard, but not you. You made it this far because you want to win. So listen closely. No one's coming to save you. No one's going to hand you freedom. You have to build it yourself. I started with nothing, but I refused to stay broke. That decision changed everything. Start today. Master your mind. Learn a skill and build your brand. The faster you start, the faster you'll never have to take orders again. This is your time. Now, go earn it.